The WD Black 2TB game drive with heatsink is a game changer for PS5 storage. The 2TB capacity and integrated heatsink ensures optimal performance for gaming and media storage. The NVMe technology delivers lightning fast read and write speeds, enhancing gameplay and reducing load times. Installing this on the PS5 is a straightforward process. Start by turning off and unplugging the PS5, remove the side cover and locate the M.2 slot. Gently insert the game drive at a 30-degree angle, ensuring it aligns with the slot, and then press down until it clicks into place. Attach the provided screw to secure the drive. Finally, reattach the side cover, then power up the PS5 and follow the on-screen prompts to format the new drive. With the WD Black 2TB game drive, upgrading PS5 storage becomes not only seamless but also a significant enhancement to overall gaming experience.